Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Constance Deck. This second presentation will expand on the initial proposal for repurposing an abandoned coal mine into a new source of energy, a floating solar farm. The stakeholders are identified as the following. Local community leaders, their knowledge of the area, the indigenous coal miners are paramount for support of the project. Project managers that will implement all stages of design and construction, government representatives to identify rules and regulations concerning implementation that may become obstacles, environmental lawyers to guide adherence to legislation surrounding the project, along with collaboration from energy business associates. Transforming a used, decimated, and discarded tract of land, a space that was once a giver of energy, producing a new source of sustainable energy in that very place, with minimal disturbance and a high return on investment, is our vision. The support of surrounding neighborhoods and communities will be acquired by assembling town meetings to relay information, answer questions, and build relationships. This will be done on a bi-weekly schedule for 2 months before any construction is started. The purpose of these meetings will be to share information and concerns from the people that will be affected the most. Also, ongoing during this time will be an inventory of wildlife that will be affected by the changes in the area, habitats, and ecosystems. It will be established how many animals and plants may need to be removed or relocated. The focus will center on any endangered species. This effort will take into consideration all government rules and regulations. All inventory and adjustments are projected to be completed in a 6-month time frame. No construction will be started before that time. Simultaneously, land and water analysis will be conducted using maps and geological surveys from the past and present. A starting point would be to access the digitalized mapping system at the Eastern Pennsylvania Coalition for Abandoned Mine Reclamation, the Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection's Office of Active and Abandoned Mine Operations, and the Pennsylvania State University have produced into the Pennsylvania Mine Map Atlas, American Geosciences Institute. Expert teams of explorers will be used to obtain more detail when necessary. The amount of landmass and water volume available will guide the construction needed to create the correct amount of floating solar panels to deliver cost-effective energy. This information will be obtained, completed, and deciphered within 6 months. Once finished, construction project managers will be forwarded all documents to be analyzed and decisions made within 4 months. While awaiting the documents, preliminary research will be conducted by project managers to obtain solar panels and equipment that use the best technology available. This will safeguard against unintended future environmental damage. It will be decided how much energy each panel will generate, how many panels will be needed, and then calculated into cost efficiency. Combined with the results of landmass and water volume, the design foundation of the project will be completed in a period of 6 months. There are numerous successful floating solar farms in the world. China's latest energy mega project, a giant floating solar farm on top of a former coal mine in Anhui, Sungrow Power Supply developed the farm on a lake that was once the site of extensive coal mining. After an explosion caused the mine to collapse, a lake formed and flooded it. Building solar panels on top of lakes and reservoirs can protect agricultural land and wildlife on the ground. The water also cools the solar panels, helping them work more efficiently. Garfield, 2018. It would be wise to learn of their triumphs and tribulations while embarking on our venture. Together, by focusing on the 5 goals needed to produce a viable, long-lasting floating solar farm, successful completion is targeted within a 5-year time frame. Each goal will be constantly monitored for environmental impacts. Adjustments and alternatives will be implemented whenever necessary. Our success can be spread to surrounding communities, sharing lessons learned. We all depend on energy. Now's the time to take it to a sustainable level. Thank you for your attention and consideration of our vision.